As for solar shade, I want to give you a tip of like how to select your solar shade. Solar shade simply is a polyester and plastic type, but it's like very durable, so it doesn't look cheap, but you got to be intentional about what kind of openness. They're 1%, which is fabric that they put them together. It's 1%, which is very solid, then it's 3%, there's 5%, there's 7%. As the percentage goes higher, the openness of texture is open up. That means you get more sun into your space. We usually specify 3%. That has that happy medium. You get still the sunshine inside, but it's not fully transparent.